Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the power bank's rated wireless output in watts and that your phone supports Qi charging. This matters because mismatched output slows or stops charging. Once done, plug the power bank into a wall USB charger briefly if its battery is low, then remove metal accessories and any thick case. These interfere with the magnetic coupling. Make sure to place the power bank flat on a stable surface, so coil alignment will be straightforward when you place the phone down. You now position the phone carefully. Find the power bank's coil center, often marked by a logo, and align the phone center over it. Proper alignment reduces heat and maximizes efficiency. Then activate the wireless mode. Some banks auto-enable, others require a long press of the power button, so the bank starts delivering power. While charging, monitor the phone screen for the charging indicator and feel the devices. A warm temperature is normal, but reposition if it gets uncomfortably hot. You finish by confirming the phone displays charging and noting the estimated completion time. This confirms a good connection and that the bank is delivering adequate watts. If charging fails, first recenter the phone and remove any case, then try a different USB port or charge the power bank more. These steps address the most common faults. If the setup overheats or disconnects repeatedly, stop charging, let both devices cool for several minutes, then retry. This prevents damage and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.